welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, yeah, another unboxing video. Oh my gosh, yeah, I really love to do these videos. Oh my goodness. And when you have the opportunity and they ask you to do, well, yeah, I can't say no. No. I say yes, yes, please. Yes, I do love it. I do absolutely. I'm addicted to these unboxing videos. Oh my gosh, so your creative studio already sent me the third box. Oh my gosh. It still feels like Christmas. Yes, absolutely. So there is a nice business card inside. Absolutely love these ones. You always can use these. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at that, for a business card. Oh my goodness. Yep, definitely gonna use that. Alright, so yeah, I always try to unwrap this as easy as I can get. But look at the packages alone. It's just so cool. Alright, so let me unwrap it. So what's inside? What's inside? I'm just gonna start on top till the bottom. I always like to do that. Okay. Alright, I think this is already a little hint on what's inside, because right here I do see another cling stamp with, I guess, a nice seahorse and a seashell. And yep, it is. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh my gosh. And I know these stamps are so detailed and so good. I just love these. Oh my gosh, if you see the back, how detailed that is with the light. You can see that, how detailed it is. And if I'm gonna try it out, then you will see. Okay, so cool. Now let's see what's this. Super cool. I love washi tape. I think it's almost time to do something. With these. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Wait just a minute. I want to put this on some white so I can see it better. Using my tool to get a nice clean cut. Oh wow! Oh my goodness, it's like design paper. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the shine, but oh wow. This is amazing. I think I'd rather prefer using this first on white and then cutting it out for strips. Then you definitely see the images so much better. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Let's continuing this nice surprise box. I always love these boxes. Okay, what's inside here? Well, let me unpack it all. Alright, DIY manual account material package. Okay. That means that there are bigger cards in it for January, the American commercial invasion. These small tickets with the cougar hounds. Oh my goodness. August now ready. So cool. 73 for April. Wow, they are absolutely stunning. Can't wait to make a journal out of this. It's been a while. They're not stickers, are they? No. No, they are not stickers. Alright, and then there are some, I have no idea, but it feels like a sticker. Definitely feels like. This I don't know, but this does feels like a sticker. Wait just a second, I want to check it out. Yeah, see? There are stickers. Yeah, cool. And these also, I need to check it out because I can't read on the package. I don't think that these are. No, these aren't. But I think the small ones are. Yeah, but you feel that definitely. If it's a sticker or not. So cool, all these cute things. Map of the world on the equivalent projection. Wow, amazing, amazing. Alright, so that's in here. Sorry guys, I still have a cold. Oh my god. What's this? Oh, goody. What's this? Is it a book? Is it a book? Or is this a package? I think it's the package. Oh my gosh. No way. Are these all little cards? Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh wow. Alright, I think there are certain things that are the same. Shortcut cooking. Okay, don't think that this is a particular theme. I thought it would be for the sea one, but this is cake. Oh, if you do a recipe book, then these are amazing, these vintage little cards. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, chocolate specialties. Oh, they love. Absolutely stunning. Very vintage. Cake cards. Oh my goodness, and so many inside. Loved book collection series. Baking magazine. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is super cool. Super. Okay. Let's go dig in. I think we have another stamp. And this is also C. Okay, what we got here? Oh, how do you call this? A fire tower? I don't know. In Dutch, the word is vuurtoren. So, so if it's not, it's a lighthouse. Yeah, that's the word. A fire tower. Vuurtoren, light tower. You get the idea while I think it's that, but it's a lighthouse. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you up close. If you can see, and a nice seashell with it. Oh my gosh. And here there is a little image from it. Hard to see, but hope you can see it. Oh my gosh. Super cool. Can't wait to try these. Then, this box is watching me. It's pretty heavy. Lace square. What is this? What's this? It is pretty heavy. What is it? Is it paper? Is it a stamp? What is it? Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, these are stickers. Oh, these are so cute to use. Oh my gosh, look at that. How cute are these? They are all stickers. I bet they are stickers. It feels like stickers, so they are stickers. Look at these. Oh, 3 colors. So cool. That's why it was so heavy. Oh my goodness, you can do so long with these. Well, some of you can't because Some of you make journals. I always love to watch that, where you stick all kind of things on one page. I love to watch that, but yeah, somehow I never do that. You have to. Oh my goodness! Oh, yeah, it's definitely a C team, so I don't exactly understand why there are bakery things inside, but I still like them. But oh my gosh, look at these. These are just amazing. Oh, I hope there was something falling down the ground, but oh my gosh, what are those? These are not stickers, but pretty stiff ones. So thin chipboard, that is definitely. Oh my gosh, look at these. Yeah, this screams like a C team junk journal, or oh my gosh, look at all these. Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at these, all these small little ones. And I really love the darker backgrounds. Look at these. Oh, I hope I can put it in frame, but in real life they are so much better. Oh, so stunning. Oh, a nice sea star. Ah, super cute. Super cute. A nice big shell. Yeah, and it's continuing. So many. Oh, wow. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely. You can use it with the stamps together. So, wow. Oh, there are two. Paper ephemera. Super cool. Okay, put them right there. What's more inside? Can't wait. Alright, so here we have some, how do you call these? Stamps. Well, it's the same word as stamp. And these are, I believe it's the same words. Yeah, postage. Postage stamps. Here we go. And these are stickers. Oh my gosh, look at all these. Oh, so easy to use in every little project that you want, but definitely in those junk journals or mixed media pages. Oh my gosh, look at all these yummies. Oh, stunning. Yeah, oh my goodness, it's too much. It is too much. I'm gonna try to put everything inside. No way. Oh my gosh, this yeah, it feels like Christmas. Look at those. Oh, those are sticky notes. Yeah, that definitely is the same one. Oh gosh, I love this collection. Sticky note. Your creative studio. And it continues. Yeah. Wow. So far, I must say that this set is the most beautiful one that I saw, I think. Yeah, I definitely think it is. Look at all these beautiful little papers. And I'm not... Why do you not make these a little larger, on an A5 size? Oh. But these are cute. Oh my goodness, they are cute. So darn cute. Oh, and so many are inside. Very thin, but they are so cute. You even can make little envelopes with these. So cool. But in your junk journal, yeah, you can feel it. You can feel where I'm going. Oh my goodness. Alright, was that the last one? I think it was, but there's something else inside. Oh, it's still continuing. Alright. Oh, these are also nice. These nice little stickers from shells. And then we have a romantic floral masking sticker set. Okay, super cool, but it does not have exact, but that's not a big thing. But if I would make these boxes, then I would prefer the same theme or something. But yeah, it definitely is a wow factor. You can use these also, but not exactly with the sea theme, but oh my gosh, love it. Nice sticker ones. Oh yes, they are. Super cool. Okay, so we got the stickers. And then I saw one last thing. There is one last thing inside this box. And that's, I think this is rice paper. Can I open it? Do I want to open it? Because I never can get it back, but I don't want to open it because I'm always too afraid to rip it off. But it is rice paper, and I assume there are a few in it. Oh well, let me unwrap it. Or is it tissue paper? Is it tissue paper or rice paper? Is there a difference between? I have no clue. Oh, yeah, this is rice paper. This is rice paper. So cool with, I call that Mod Podge. Oh my gosh, love it. So we have 3, 4, 5. 5 same ones, and these are a 6x6 size. So, oh wow, who will not love this set? Look at that. I am very impressed in these things with the stamps. Look at that, and the washi tape, and then you got 2 stamps with it. This is the washi tape, and then here we have another stamp set from a C team. This is C team. This you always can use, but it's not the same colors. But yeah, and then we have some cooking little tags, and this fits with everything. And this, of course, fits with the flowers. But yeah, who am I to judge? Okay, I absolutely love this stationery box. I am very impressed with this one. Okay guys, I hope you like this unboxing video. So check out your creative studio. Check out their stationery boxes. They are absolutely worth it. And guys, I love the surprise, don't you think? I really love the surprise. You can order all these things, I believe. I don't know if you can order all these separately or only in the boxes. I have no clue. But check out the website and check it out for yourself. Okay, check it out, your creative studio. I will put the link below these videos. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.